Okay, so I'm here with Jason. Jason, tell us a bit about yourself.
Jason Lattimer. I work for Lattimer Partners in Appleton, Wisconsin. I'm a Dynamics CRM developer and also a Dynamics CRM MVP.
Excellent. So tell us a bit about the company you work for.
Lattimer Partners they focus on the oil and gas industry, but we also take care of pretty much any kind of CRM implementations that come about.
Okay, so tell us a bit about the day in the life of your job.
Most of my stuff is pretty much project work, so I kind of take care of the day-to-day kind of, estimating, development requirements, implementing custom development, working with the other developers, kind of bringing up some of the new people, being active in the things like the blog and stuff like that for the company, social media, things like that.
Excellent. So how many Convergence events have you been along to?
This will be my second one. My first one was last year.
And so what's the value to you as a partner coming along to these events?
As a partner, it's interesting because you get to see the different customers' perspective on things, because sometimes you deal specifically with your customers, so you don't necessarily get a broad range of customer feedback. So this is good. You also get to see the roadmap from Microsoft, things that maybe aren't necessarily the vision, what's coming down the pipe.
Excellent. Okay, and so just along the theme of Dynamics CRM, what's your favorite features that have come out in CRM 2013?
Definitely the real-time workflows are very handy. Enhancements around JavaScript is always good from developer's perspective. Things to actually prevent writing code.
Yep.
Like the real-time workflows. Business rules are good. Definitely we'll see some more stuff around the mobile experience, but that's going to evolve as time goes on.
Yep. So if you had the choice of setting the roadmap, what would you be adding?
Like I said, I think I would step up the mobile stuff a little bit faster if it was up to me. But I'm obviously there's challenges there between all the different platforms to kind of keep those in sync. So I can understand why it's not going as fast as everybody would like, but it's leaps and bounds better what we have in 2013 based on what we had previously.
Yeah, exactly. So, Jason, you're a Dynamics CRM MVP. Tell us the value of being an MVP.
Definitely just the other MVPs are just outstanding group of people. I'm fairly new. This is I'm still my first year. Great group of people. Nicest group of people I think I've met. Definitely great group of resources. Cool.
And if you were going to recommend to someone else, or if let's say someone was asking you what they need to do to become an MVP, what would you recommend?
Help. Go out in the community to help people. That's really first of all, the best way to learn really is to try and, if you have to teach somebody how to do something, that's only going to reinforce your particular knowledge.
Yep.
If you go out on like MSDN forums, Dynamics community, CRM UG forums, there's people always needing help. There's no shortage of people that have questions, or if you happen to be like a developer type like myself, if you see a gap in the current solution, maybe you can create a solution to fill it and put it out for public consumption.
Yeah, absolutely. So Jason, in closing, anything else you'd like to add?
Look forward to Convergence. Hopefully I'm going to have a good time. Look forward to seeing all the new stuff that's coming down the line, and it's all good.